Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a strong retirement fund with Northwestern Mutual. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial. Take a close look at your income, expenses, and any existing savings. Identify how much you can realistically set aside for retirement each month. Research retirement savings options available through Northwestern Mutual. Focus on products such as whole life insurance, annuities, and investment accounts. Consider setting up a meeting with a Northwestern Mutual financial advisor. Use this opportunity to discuss your retirement goals and priorities. Ask about personalized strategies that can align with your objectives. Determine if a combination of different saving methods could work best for you. Create a specific retirement savings plan based on your discussions. Set clear, measurable goals for how much you want to save annually. Automate your contributions to ensure you save consistently. Review your plan regularly to track your progress. Adjust your contributions as needed to keep pace with changes in your financial situation. Stay informed about investment options and market trends. Consider participating in Northwestern Mutual's educational resources and workshops. Engage with fellow clients to share insights and strategies. Protect your retirement fund with the right insurance options from Northwestern Mutual. Consider additional products that can provide a safety net for your investments. Never hesitate to reach out for ongoing support from your Northwestern Mutual advisor. With diligence and the right approach, you can build a strong retirement fund. Stay committed to your plan for long-term financial success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.